How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. This recipe doesn't really need much of an introduction. In fact, minestrone soup. Come on, that's all I can say. Minestrone soup. It's an absolute classic. It's a beautiful poor man's soup. You can add anything to it. You know the drill. But I did this 10 years ago on the channel. The production value wasn't amazing, but the recipe was amazing. And I'm going to do like a little twist. I'm going to do a little twist on it. Here's a clip.
I'm going to be using some beautiful sun-dried tomatoes, so just roughly chop them. And then next what I'm going to do, add some really good quality tomatoes. Some peas, some sweet peas. This gives it a really beautiful sweetness. One of the secrets to this dish, I'm going to use some Parmesan rind, and that just lifts the dish. That just makes it extra special. So just pop that in. And the secret to this dish is we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to cook it for 2 hours. And what that will do, that will intensify all the flavors, and it's going to be fantastic. And also what's really good with minestrone is some beautiful white fish. Served on top there.
Yeah, so that was a long time ago, so I'm going to redo it. Anyway, slap a like on this video, subscribe, it helps the channel. So yeah, let's crack on with it. And if you ain't got one of these, grab one, a small Dutch oven, perfect for this type of soup. But if you ain't got one, no worries, just use a deep brim pan. Amazing though. And like I said, you can add anything to a minestrone soup, but the one thing I think it should have is celery. It just makes it. And now for some carrot, for some sweetness, and keep the skin on. There's a lot of goodness in that skin. And just a little bit of onion. And of course, it wouldn't be a minestrone without some garlic. And the beauty about this soup is anybody can make it. Anybody can make this soup. It's so easy. The amount of garlic I've prepped over the years, it's still a pain. I don't like it. I'm ready to swear my mirepoix, and I want to build flavors little bit by bit. I want to gradually build flavors. But what they do in Italy as well, what they do is they bung everything in a pot, bung all the vegetables, the beans in a pot, with the stock, bring the stock up to a boil and serve it. Nothing wrong with that. I just want to build flavors as I go. Build. Flavor. So add a drop of olive oil. And then add your onion, your celery, your carrots. Get them all in. And your garlic. And just for that smokiness, you can add pancetta, some bacon. I'm not going to add any of that. Just some smoked paprika. And also some oregano as well. So get that in. You want to sweat these off for a good 5 minutes on a low heat. And I've got the garlic in there, so I want to watch that. I don't want to burn that. So low heat, 5 minutes. All right, next, some canned tomatoes. Get them in. These are whole peeled tomatoes, so I just want to gently give them a mash. Look how red that looks, so rich. At this stage, I'd normally add some peas, but I've got some nice edamame, some frozen edamame. If you can't find them, just use peas. Next, I've got some tri-blend beans, black beans, you name it. Get the juice in there, don't matter. And instead of pasta, I'm going to be using some farro, delicious farro. Get that in. Yes. Next, some stock. I give all that good stir. Last but not least, the secret ingredients, Parmesan rind. This takes it up another level. This takes it, this bumps it up a little bit. So we're going to put that in. Nice. I forgot to show you, I've put some bay leaves in. Bring this up to a boil, turn off the heat, and put it in the oven. So there you have it, that is my easy, and I mean easy, healthy, delicious minestrone soup. It looks beautiful and it tastes beautiful. The secret, little Parmesan rind, that just umphs the flavour, boosts that flavour. And I cooked it in the oven, that just gives maximum flavour as well. 2 little secrets there. And I like to serve it with fish at the end. I like to serve it with some nice white fish, some cod's really nice. I cooked a little bit of perch, some perch fillets, quite tiny, so they didn't take long to cook at all. You can crumble it in there or serve them whole. And with a little bit of pesto on top, beautiful. And some basil, olive oil, a little salt. And you can plate this any, how you like it, but I do like that, beautiful. Anyway, give this a go. Thanks, guys.